Application development process to develop integrated learning environments that support visual and verbal literacy. To support learners in constructing their own paths to knowledge. To develop methodologies that offer a better understanding of what people are need using new technologies. Do you know, in 2020, expected growth of mobile app revenue is $101 billion. And application development of emerging. What is an application? Application or ANA program is a software program that runs on your computer. Web browsers, emails, programs, word processor, games, utilities are all applications. The word application is used because each program has a specific application of the user. For example, a word processor can help a student to create a research paper. Application software. Application software consists of programs designed to make user more productive and assist them with personal tasks. Application software has variety of uses to make business activities and more efficient, to assist with the graphics and the multimedia, to support home, personal, and educational tasks, to facilitate communications. Application software is available in variety of forms. Package, custom, web application, open source, shareware, freeware, public domain. Package software is a mass-produced, copyrighted retail software that meets the needs of wide variety of user, not just a single of user company. Package software is available in retail store or on the web. Custom software perform functions specific to a business of industry. Sometimes a company cannot find package software that meets its unique requirements. Web application is a website that allows the user access the interact with software from any computer or device that connect to the internet. Many websites provide free access to their programs. Some are charged or fee. Open source software is a software that provides for use, modification, and distribution. This software has no restriction from the other copyright holder regarding modification of the software internal instruction, its distribution. Shareware is a copyrighted software that is distributed at no cost for the trial period. To use shareware program beyond the period, you send payment to the program developer. Freeware is copyrighted software provided at no cost by individual or a company that retains all rights of the software. Public domain software has been donated for public use, has no copyright restriction. Anyone can copy or distribute the public domain to software other at no cost. And mobile application development process: initiation, design, development, acceptance, support. Initiation tasks about the transition of the project from sales team on technical team, where the initial project kick off with the client and sales team to understand the requirement. Design. Process flow. The process flow can provide a visual representation on step in process. Flow charts are offered to process mapping or flow diagrams. Wireframe. Elements visible on each the screen of the mobile application are discussed and noted down as wireframes. Story abroad. Everything include the image to be shown, icons appearing them appearing theme, color background, etc. is a part of storyboard. Architecture design. Planning the development of application architecture is performed. Coding is done give to life to the application. Testing planning. The application is tested for bugs by running various programs, performing check and the different condition to ensure it's robust or flawless. Development. Prototype. The app is still proof of concept, phase, and only core functionality or specific parts of the application are working. Major bugs are present. Alpha. Core functionality is a generally code complete, built not fully tested. Major bugs are still present. Outlying functionality may still not be present. Beta. Most functionality is now complete, has had least light testing and bug fixing. Major known issue is still be present. Release candidate. All functionality is complete and tested, barring new bugs, and the app is candidate for release the wild. Testing. Final build is incredibly important to test your application early and actual device. Even device with the same hardware specs can vary wide their behavior. Final release. The truly tested check application is finally made available to end users. Support. Customer support is range of customer service to assist customers in making cost-effective and correct use of product. It includes assistance in planning, installation, training, troubleshooting, maintenance, upgrading, and disposal of a product.